Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am back, and I just wanted to let you guys watch this video real quick, and then I'm going to go into what happened. Hold on one second. This is very disturbing, by the way.
Are you sure?
If I can get it to show.
I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
What a creep.
Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you.
What a creep.
Are you sure?
Oh my god.
Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain?
What?
Sure. So who are you? What? Yeah? Are you sure? Who are you? Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about baby school. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her and kill her. Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun.
He's got issues.
Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right.
Wow.
Are you sure? No idea. What?
Wow. And he's just standing out there. And leaves. Oh, Jesus. He's still talking to himself. Oh my god. Okay, so. Here we go. What that was obviously what you've seen. A man knocking on a door and talking to somebody. Or so we thought, talking to somebody behind the door, right? Okay, so this is what the deal is. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my god, I can't believe this. And this is happening in my town, you guys. So anybody that lives here, please be careful. Be very, 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 very careful, okay? Let me see if I can find it again. Where did it go? 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 I don't think so. Hold on. Well, anyways, I'm not going to worry about that. I already read the article. What it is that man was obviously cuckoo in his brain somewhere. He walks up to this house and knocks on the door, rings the doorbell. And there is a lady in there, okay? But she is literally hiding, so he can't see her through that little glass part. That's why I will never own a door with glass windows like that. I don't even want to live in a house by myself because there's too many entry points. But, so she's hiding, and he's just sitting there, and he keeps saying the same thing over and over. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you positive? I just want to ask you some questions. And she's not responding to him, period, okay? So in the meanwhile, she's on the phone with 911. She calls them, and she stays on the phone with them. She had also, I guess, spoke with her husband, or they called her husband. I'm not sure how that happened. And what happened was, as the guy's knocking on the door and he's starting to walk away, the husband chimes in on that. It's called Ring. It's a doorbell thing. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's an app or what, but he chimed in on it. He wasn't there, but he started talking to the guy, and then the guy's going to sit there and tell him that he wants to rape and kill the girl that's behind the door. So, you know, obviously you've seen the guy walk away. Police did catch up to him downtown here in Las Vegas and made an arrest after she posted this video on social media, which was Facebook. So smart move by her. Got him caught. He's in jail now. Hopefully he didn't hurt anybody in that meanwhile, because he seemed like he was kind of like on a mission there. But that is scary. I don't know what I would do. That man came to my door, and boy, oh boy, oh boy, he would have a rude awakening, because I ain't playing around. I ain't going to sit there and wait for it to happen. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to do anything illegal, because I ain't trying to go to jail, but I'll be ready. I will be ready for him. That is not even okay at all. He needs to go to a mental hospital. But I just want to share that with you guys, because it's freaky, and, you know, just kind of putting a little red alert to everybody. It doesn't have to be a woman or a man, just anybody. Just be careful. Don't ever just open your door. I know people that do that. Never let them know that you're home. Why would you want to let them know you're home? So they can, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just have rules that I abide by when I'm in my house. So anyways, I will let you guys go, and stay safe out there. Peace.